नमस्कार प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, मैं हूं अरविंद सिंह पेमावत, हेड ऑफ करियर डेवलपमेंट एंड कॉर्पोरेट रिलेशंस, गीतांजलि ग्रुप उदयपुर। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, हम हर बार कुछ नया लेकर आते हैं आपके लिए और कहीं ना कहीं एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी, करियर डेवलपमेंट, स्किल डेवलपमेंट से रिलेटेड आपको नया ज्ञान देते रहते हैं। इसी कड़ी में अभी रिसेंटली वी आर गोइंग टू डू द कैंपस इंटरव्यू और द पूल कैंपस इंटरव्यू ऑफ सास्किन टेक्नोलॉजीज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, जो बेंगलोर बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट इंजीनियरिंग कंपनी है। It is one of the well-known organization in the field of product engineering of the semiconductor, automotive, industrial parts, and these kind of telecom and transportation related equipment. They have the expertise in these areas, or they are the specialist for these product engineering equipments. So now we are going to do the campus interview, और काफी सारी कॉलेजेस में भी सास्किन टेक्नोलॉजीज विल गो फॉर द कैंपस इंटरव्यूज, so that video will be helpful for our students as well as for the student of those colleges where Sasken is going for the campus interview. So first, what kind of requirement they have, what kind of profile they are looking for, what kind of branches and the streams are eligible for the process, that we will give the ideas and how you can crack the campus placement of Sasken Technologies Limited. It's a Bangalore based organization, so if you will get the selections, you will get the joining at Bangalore. And the package which they are giving, it's a very lucrative package which normally any good MNCs are giving, that is the 5 lakhs per annum. And the profile which they are looking for, that is the associate software engineer profile, because now we know that the IT field are in the boom, and because of that they are also looking for the software engineers. When I talk about the eligibility criteria, BTech computer science engineering students as well as BTech electronic and communication engineering students and MSc and MCA students are eligible for this process from 2022 batch, who are in the 7th semester of their engineering. They are eligible for the campus interview. What they are looking for when somebody is going to participate for the recruitment process of Sasken Technologies, then what they need to understand, what they need to learn, and what skills they must have. So they must have the knowledge about C, C++, Java, as well as the awareness of data structure and algorithm. If they have these kind of knowledges, then they have a better chance to get the selections. They have the eligibility criteria, because most of the companies have their eligibility criteria to participate for the process. So if any students are having 60% throughout means what? The 60% minimum or more than that from 10th onwards, 10th, 12th, BTech, and if somebody is in the MCA, then in the graduation as well as in the MCA, minimum 65% without any backlogs, students are eligible for this process. So that is basic criteria for sitting into the process. What kind of phases and the selection process they have? For the selections, they'll take the online test, and the online test will carries the programming languages like C, C++, Java, and the questions related to the aptitude, which covers numerical ability as well as logical reasoning and the data interpretations, analytical skills, and English communication skills kind of questions. So that test will take these all areas where student has to give the test in that specific field. After clearing the test, the company will take the HR as well as the technical interview, and if the student clear HR as well as technical both, then they can get the offer. There is one more criteria in that company. They have the service agreement for 3 years. If any students are not interested for this kind of service agreement, they will not permit it to sit for the process. So in the initial phase of the process, they have the format in which student has to say yes for the service agreement. Otherwise, they will not be eligible for the process. So that is whole basic criteria to get the selections in the Sasken Technologies. Any electronic and communication engineering students, if they have a good C, C++, Java knowledge, they can easily crack the process. Many electronics students are getting the offers in IT companies, and they are getting more offers if we compare with the computer science students. So they have also great opportunities and the better chance to get the offers. For MC student, no doubt they have to compete with the BTech student. So they have to do certain more practice, more hard work, so that they can also become the part of Sasken Technologies Limited. It's one of the good company. We have recently got associated, but I'll suggest you and I'll just recommend all the students, if you really want to become a part of Saskin, then you must have the knowledge about the company, about the profile. You have to have the good knowledge what company is all about. It's a product based company, so there is a great chance of the learning as well as the growth. So give your best and do well practice in advance so that you can easily crack the process. We'll again come with some more these kind of videos where you can get the more learnings about some aspect related to the campus interviews, campus placement, and how to crack it, these kind of companies, so that you can be better aware when you are sitting for the process, when the companies are coming at your campuses. So with this, thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.